Okay, welcome back to the next episode of our how-to series on how to make your own comic. Today, we're going to start with how to make your own character. As you can see, I'm drawing a circle, and I'm going to draw a line out of it to show the pose the character could be in. And then after that, I'm going to draw some arms. As you can see, I'm starting out as a stick figure. It doesn't have to be a full-on thing right away. You don't add the details right away. That's a big mistake a lot of beginners make. But then you can go into a lot more detail after that. So
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got
as you can see, I'm slowly adding more details over the cubic features of the stickman. And guess what? My pencil broke, which is very unfortunate. So let's try something else. I don't know what to draw. Oh, my pencil broke again. I'm telling you, this is getting annoying. Okay, so we're going to draw a line, and then add some more details to it. And then after that, we're going to draw another line to be his other leg. And then pretty soon this will start turning into a figure. And now something I want to talk about is that, well, for you to draw, all you really need to think of is, can you draw a square, a circle, and a cylinder? If you can, then you can draw pretty much anything. So either or. Then, of course you can, but then we'll draw something else. See what I'm doing? I put a circle on top, and then I made kind of a two-dimensional cylinder, and then I added two rectangles, and then squares are going to be for the arms. I'm gonna be honest, I can't really tell what I'm writing, so sorry. Now, another thing is cubes. Cubes are very helpful for making a lot of stuff. So what you're about to see me do with a cube, well, two of them, really, is we're going to make a chair. It may not be the most detailed chair I've ever made, but it's still going to be a chair that's 3D, or not two-dimensional at least. As you can see, I'm slowly adding the legs, and now I'm making the chair back area where you can lean back in, and that supports your back. And now on to another subject. This time we're going to be drawing a car. By the way, this may not be the best drawing of the car I've ever done, but still. So we start out with a rectangular prism, and we just kind of sketch the top of the car. And then after that, we draw 2 half circles right there. Those are going to be where the wheels go. And then we can add a bumper or something. See, we're going to add a bumper here. Now we're going to add the wheels. And I just add the grill to it now. The top of the windshield. Okay, now it's time for the hardest part for a car, at least for me when I'm drawing, is the windows and doors, because they always look so weird when you draw them compared to when they're actually on the real car. And don't talk about the wheels, please. I know they don't look the best, but anyway. And even if your drawings don't look the best, keep drawing, because you'll always get better, no matter what. If you draw every day for a year, and you compare your drawings, you'll see the difference. See, like how I just drew that? And then you got lines. This is just kind of random part I thought about including. I don't know. As you can see, I'm trying to figure out what to draw now. Well, now I'm trying to get the right lead size. Now we're going to draw a circle. What I'm going to do is draw my clock and just kind of take the looks of what my clock was and the shapes and just kind of draw them on there and then slowly add more details. And because of how small I'm drawing this clock, it's not going to be very detailed, but you'll still be able to see some details. I want you to try doing this too, or something that you can see. For instance, say you got a box, try and sketch out your box, or maybe you got like a Rubik's Cube or Buzz Lightyear, I don't know. Just try and find something around your area to draw down. It doesn't have to be 3D, just try and do it 2D, for now, at least. Next Wednesday, the video will be of perspective and 3D-ness.